guys, just thought I'd piece together this trade I've just taken in the Euro session on Monday, which is very rare for me. I don't normally trade in this session. What I'm seeing is a massive level of support from this box. I've drawn that box based on this low here, this touch here. So I've been in this big box since the 17th of July. Ran out of it after a hammer down here last week on the 29th into this resistance and sold off. But now we've come out of this box, thrown in a hammer in the Euro session, and now we've got a gap fill up here. There's a gap down on data last week on the 1st. So what I'm looking for is this. I'm basically looking for a gap fill. We've got a hammer on the bottom of the box. We've got potential reversal pattern down here. This trend line is holding. Got a hammer on the box, and you can just see, if I strip all that back, you can just see this little blue line here is my entry. So I've got in at 260 level, 261.4 to be exact. My stop at the moment is there. I'm just going to drag that down a little more, just under that 60-minute bar, 247. I'm going to sit there until I get a gap fill. That could take all week. Could take maybe even done today. It may not even work. Could just roll over, close underneath this 250 level, and then just roll over. But I'm prepared to risk this much capital for that much reward. Okay, so it's a massive risk-reward ratio. That's probably about probably about 6 or 7 to 1. And if I start to close up here, I will start to edge my stop up and get it to break even. If we close above the weekly pivot, I will get my stop to break even plus some. I'll keep it underneath the hammer. I won't keep, just in case they come down and retest the hammer, and then I'll see where we go. Alright, so I just thought I'd share that with you because I thought that's, this is potentially a gift. This setup is potentially a gift. Tell you what, I'm going to draw that box to the gap fill. With and under last week's low. You can see already I'm getting a little bit of a buffer, not much, a bit of a buffer, and then let's just see if that works. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video there and I will pick it up later in the day. Okay, just a quick recap. We're coming up to lunchtime UK time. It's coming up to 7:30 in the morning in the US time. Seeing a little bit more momentum in this pound yen. So just an update to say that this hammer is holding. My stop is under the 60-minute support now here. That's my entry, so a little bit of a buffer, not a massive amount, and here's my target up there for the gap fill. Alright, I'll come back to the video in another couple of hours.